Hey guys, this is Enyolami and welcome back to my channel. So for this week, let's see what we have on BTC USDT trade. Lately, market has been very manipulative. Like maybe because of the SEC arrest and the likes of them. But nevertheless, there will always be an opportunity for the patient ones. So let's see what we have on BTC USDT. I'll be looking up for two pairs. Hopefully, BTC USDT and one other trading pair. So stay tuned to the end of this video and please do hit the subscribe button if you are yet to be a subscriber. Now let's proceed. Okay, so this is the higher time frame. For a top-down analysis, I like to see my pair from the higher time frame, and that is why this is the monthly time frame, and we can see how BTC is trading downwards, even though there is a there are retracements in between. Of course, you don't expect a downward trend like that. So on the weekly time frame, okay, this is what we have on the weekly time frame. From what I'm seeing here, BTC has been making a downward move, bouncing, hitting the trend line, and it has been making a downward push from the trend line on the weekly time frame as well. And this is just a new week. Okay, so with this, I think we are having a symmetrical triangle. This is it. This is a new week candle. This week candle is just forming. This particular one is just forming. As you can see, 6 days, 17 hours. So this price on this week candle, what I can see is a symmetrical triangle, and to the best of my knowledge, seeing this, I'm bearish bias on BTC as for this week and even at the long run. So as you can see what we are having here at the long run, look at it. This is what we are still having here. Price still have the tendency of coming down here. I'm not saying it's coming down presently, but at least, no. You know what I'm saying here? This is a long, it's gonna be a long sell. I'm still very much bearish bias on BTC. No matter what the manipulation or whatever, we are still coming down. That is it. So, for me for this week, I'm bearish bias because the price has been trending downwards. It has been forming an higher low, a lower low from this candle. Look at this this first, another one, then here we come. This is last week candle, and this week candle, when I say we are coming down, it doesn't mean we are going to come down straight up like that. It's gonna be an a lower low, a lower high, higher low. Or am I going to say? Let me not confuse it. So on the daily time frame, let's see. Same thing here. This is what I'm seeing here. Look at this. This is the major resistance zone. The major resistance, and from there, since that major resistance, we've been seeing a lower high. A lower high. Look at it. This is a lower high. Yeah. And here we have 28, the last one. The recent lower high here, we have 27,350. So what I'm thinking here, I'm bearish on BTC, and this is where, if I'm going to take this position, I will take my short position from this entry, because certainly BTC will come to hit this trend line. BTC will come here to hit this trend line. So that is where I'm going to take my entry from. A short entry for a short position, rather. A short position. I'm going to wait till BTC comes to hit this trend line. As for today, you might see a bullish move. But overall for this week, I'm looking at the higher time frame. At least that gives more certainty and higher profits compared to the short scalp. I'm not a scalper, so I'd rather wait till I get a better entry, which I think a short position entry will be suitable for me because it will bring more profits, and it's certain, yeah, because if I thought we were gonna see any manipulative move, BTC might come down. Yeah, that would be manipulative. Then it's still gonna come up to hit this trend line. I'm very, very certain about this. BTC will definitely come to touch this trend line before we see any major downward trend, which is to ascertain what we are seeing on the weekly time frame. So I'm gonna pick my short position entering from this place, like 26,800 at least, up to 26,000. I'm looking at 26,800. Yes, looking at 26,800 for my short position entry for this week. It should be a swing trade. And my stop loss, I won't be using stop loss. That's just it. Because I won't be, if there will be any, you just have to trade this kind of trade, you need to have enough liquidity to withstand your position. That's just it. You have to have enough liquidity to withstand your position. Because if there will be any move, it's just going to be a kind of manipulative move. Like seeing BTC here, it's just going to be a touch. It's not going to be a complete, like, it's going uptrend. No. It will just be a touch move. Like, it's going to maybe a touch to that higher, the previous higher high. So it's not going to be a standstill there. No. We are coming down. So if there will be an higher movement, it's just going to be a touch. I hope somebody is understanding what I'm trying to say here. So that's why you have to have enough liquidity to withstand this position if you are going to be taking a short position from here. Since I know BTC is not coming here, from what I'm seeing here, BTC is not coming here. So whatever I'm going to be looking at, I should be looking at a liquidity that can withstand this position, 28,400, 490, or even at worst case scenario, which is at least at worst 29.7, like this arena here. If there will be any manipulative move to the upward direction to liquidate, this is crypto trading. They can liquidate any long position by making a move, but the move will not be to this resistance level. So that is why a very reasonable liquidity is needed here. It's not going to be beyond this zone. From what I'm saying, this is falling. This is a rising wedge. Excuse me. So, as I'm saying, if you're going to go for a short position here, then have enough liquidity, because I'm not going to use a stop loss for this zone. I won't let them liquidate if there will be a manipulation, because I know it's not going to last. The manipulation is not going to last. So I'll just look for my entry around this arena. Around this 26,800 or 26,900. Yeah. Then we come down. At least from 26,900 up to this level. It's not been so. From 26,900 up to 25,300 or even lower. It's not been. So have enough liquidity if you want to take this short position from 26,800 or 26,900. Enough liquidity that can use lower leverage, that can withstand this higher high that we have here, at least 28,007 or 7 something, in case of any manipulation, which I doubt. But to be on the safer side, so you don't get liquidated soon, have enough liquidity that can withstand this high up to this 28,460. Enough liquidity that can withstand this high. Yeah. Then use a lower leverage, because this is where we are going to be taking our entry from. Downwards, like that. So that's for the BTC. Some might think, okay, I want to scalp, I want to take a long buy. You need to be careful. Before you take a scalp long on BTC might decide to first of all test a low first before going to this trend line here. Might first of all want to test this low. So you still need to have a liquidity that can withstand this low before coming up to this high, then come down to this low or beyond this low, according to what we are seeing on the higher time frame. So that's my analysis for BTC. Let me see if I can do. Okay, let me check this BNX. Okay. Where is the call? Oh, guys, I'm trying to check. I think, okay, BNX. So these two pairs will be my trade, at least for this week, my swing trade for this week. The other trade in between, of course, we're definitely gonna be having a daily, taking advantage of the daily opportunity in between. That will be with my community. So if you want to join my paid community, reach out to me on Telegram. You can join the link from the description box or the comment section. Join us for cryptocurrency trading, airdrops, information, and what have you, signals, and all the likes like that. So hit the subscribe button and hit the follow subscribe button to my Telegram channel. Reach out to me and let's see how we can get started with you. So this is BNX as well. BNX has been trading downwards. Yeah. Previously, this is a weekly time frame as well. Previously, we had I saw a triangle here, and it traded downwards. So on the weekly time frame, we are still seeing we are still going downwards. From what I'm seeing, it's gonna be a downward trend. As I said earlier, it's not gonna be just down. There will also be a bullish movement in between. Just that the bullish movements will not last, and for scalper, it may be a good move. And that is why you can see daily trading opportunities, or maybe 3 days daily opportunities in between any pair. You can see you can buy in between or you can short in between. So this analysis will be for swing traders. If you need daily analysis, then join me on Telegram. We have that. This is for swing traders. We're seeing a bearish movement on the higher time frame, and you see the price there. It's ranging in this arena. It's trading in between this channel. I've drew a trend line You see where the price is currently trading in between this arena, this channel here, and it's forming a lower. From what I'm seeing on the higher time frame, I'm gonna be judging with that. This is gonna come down, but definitely gonna touch this trend line as well. You're still gonna see a higher movement to this trend line before the low. You're gonna see a higher movement up to this trend line. So if I'm taking a short position here, I'll make my short entry from this zone here. From this zone here, my short entry from this zone. Maybe like 0.27. Yeah. 0.27 or 0.2690. Then we come down. This is it. So I gave two trade. It's gonna be a string trading. So you don't expect it to do everything today. So if you're just seeing this video, you still have the opportunity. If you are following the short position, it's gonna be a swing trade. I'm waiting for price to hit my trend line on the higher hit my trend line upward, then a sell. That's where I'm taking my entry from. So guys, this is what I have for you for this trade. It's a swing trade. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also join me on Telegram. Let's get you started with cryptocurrency, airdrop, trading, trainings, and what have you. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.